I bet you didn't know that the higher you go, the thirstier you get. Let's find out why. When you ascend to higher altitudes, your body undergoes several changes to adapt to the new environment. One of the most significant changes is how your body manages hydration. So, you've decided to conquer the mountains, or maybe you're just taking a scenic flight over the Himalayas. Either way, it's an exhilarating experience. But wait, why does it feel like your mouth is the Sahara Desert? Well, here's the scoop. At higher altitudes, the air is not only thinner but also much drier. This means that the moisture in your body evaporates more quickly. Why does it feel like your mouth is the Sahara Desert? Well, here's the scoop. At higher altitudes, the air is thinner and drier. This lack of moisture in the air means that every breath you take is pulling more water out of your body. Imagine breathing in and out, and with each breath, a tiny bit of your body's water is being whisked away. This means you lose more moisture just by breathing. And it's not just a little bit. It can add up quickly, especially if you're exerting yourself. Yep, every breath you take is a mini moisture thief. The higher you go, the more breaths you take, and the more moisture you lose. It's a vicious cycle, is a mini moisture thief. And it doesn't stop there. When you're up high, and it doesn't stop there. When you're up high, your body works harder to get oxygen. The lower oxygen levels at high altitudes mean your body has to compensate by breathing faster and deeper. Your body works harder to get oxygen, making you breathe faster and deeper. This increased breathing rate means even more moisture is lost through respiration, making you breathe faster and deeper. More breathing equals more water loss. It's science, folks. The more you exert yourself, the more you breathe and the more water you lose. More breathing equals more water loss. It's science, folks. Plus the cold can trick you. In colder climates, you might not feel as thirsty as you would in warmer conditions. This is because the cold can suppress your thirst response, making you less likely to drink water. You might not feel as thirsty, but your body is still losing water. Sneaky, right? Even if you don't feel thirsty, your body is still losing moisture through respiration and perspiration. But your body is still losing water. Sneaky, right? So what's the game plan? Drink up. Drink up. Make sure you're drinking plenty of water throughout the day, even if you don't feel thirsty. It's important to stay ahead of your hydration needs. Aim for about 1 liter more than you would at sea level. This extra water helps to compensate for the increased moisture loss at higher altitudes than you would at sea level. And don't wait until you're thirsty. That's like waiting until your car's out of gas to refuel. By the time you feel thirsty, you're already on your way to dehydration. That's like waiting until your car's out of gas to refuel. Also pack some juicy fruits and veggies. They're like edible water bottles. Fruits and vegetables with high water content like cucumbers, oranges, and watermelon can help keep you hydrated. They're like edible water bottles. And steer clear of too much caffeine and alcohol. They're like the dehydrating villains of our story. Both caffeine and alcohol can increase urine production, leading to further dehydration. They're like the dehydrating villains of our story. Remember, staying hydrated isn't just about feeling good. It helps you avoid altitude sickness, keeps your energy up, and ensures that your body functions optimally. Keeps your energy up, and makes sure you enjoy every breathtaking view. Dehydration can lead to symptoms like headaches, dizziness, and fatigue, which can put a damper on your adventure. And make sure you enjoy every breathtaking view. So next time you're scaling those peaks or flying high, keep that water bottle handy and sip smart. Make hydration a priority, and your body will thank you. Keep that water bottle handy and sip smart. Happy travels and stay hydrated, everyone. Whether you're hiking, climbing, or just enjoying the view, staying hydrated is key to making the most of your high-altitude adventures.